Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, most of you probably already watched my previous video, but in case you didn't know or haven't watched it yet, my mom challenged a bunch of her gymnasts and people who are subscribed to her and watch her videos a challenge, a picture challenge. So who can do all of these kinds of photos and whatnot, okay? And I am going to show you guys proof that I actually did it. Boom. Proof, right there. A.K.H. Yeah, I did it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe with post notifications on. That way you get more cooking tutorials, workout challenges, and etc. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!